12 forecast.
Well, in weather situations like this, always a good time to download the Pinpoint 12 weather app. It's been updated and really just a wealth of information. It's very hyper-local. It knows your location, automatic alerts, video updates, interactive radar, 7-day forecast, and it's been working overtime. Very busy tonight, and with good reason, with significant snow that continues to work in. We're going to look at the satellite and radar composite. Now, our storm system, let me load this up one more time, is taking shape. It's off the mid-Atlantic coastline right now, area of low pressure, and this is the storm that we were expecting to develop and take over as the primary storm. And we're starting to see snowfall rates that have been on the increase, and we can see this on the Doppler radar. So it's these strips of darker blue. We call this banding on the radar, and this is very intense snow, much like in the summertime when you get a downpour or a thunderstorm, only this time it's very heavy snow, some rumbles of thunder, and you can see one band lifting through. So these bands have the potential to put down 1, 2, even 3 inches of snow per hour. So as one band lifts through, snow lets up a little bit, another band passes through. So that's the kind of setup that we have for the rest of the evening and during the overnight. So the blue represents snow, the green and yellow is rain offshore, and this yellow line is the rain-snow line. Now that rain-snow line will just come up to the coastline. There may be a little mixing of rain and sleet for a time, especially out towards Cape Cod and the islands, but this is going to be a mainly snow situation for us, and the net result will be some significant amounts during the overnight and into early tomorrow morning. As far as categorizing this storm on a scale from marginal, slight, moderate, would certainly call this a moderate to borderline major winter storm. We're forecasting up to 1 foot of snow in some areas and strong winds, so naturally power outages becomes the concern. So later tonight, as the snow becomes heavier, the wind starts to pick up, there is a risk, at least a moderate risk, and we're talking statewide, not just near the coastline, but inland as well, the potential for some power outages. So not a bad idea to charge your devices now, your tablets and your phones and things like that. So let's take a look at the storm timeline, and really everything is progressing as expected time-wise now through 7 o'clock in the morning. Some of the heaviest bands of snow, those rates of 1 to 2, 3 inches per hour, some rumbles of thunder. It's a windswept snow early tomorrow morning. Poor travel and strong wind, and then during the afternoon it's still snowing, but the intensity really starts to come down. The visibility starts to improve. It's not perfect travel, but it is certainly better travel than what we'll have overnight and then during the early morning hours. Temperatures now you can see in the middle to upper 20s, but some slightly milder air out towards the Cape, and this is a tip-off that out here a change to sleet and rain will occur, so the amounts there will be less. Gusts to 60 miles per hour on the islands, gusts to 50 along the coastline, gusts to 40 miles per hour inland will cause the snow to blow sideways, and you can see the poor visibility and the heavy snow in Newport right now, getting reports of 1, 2, even 3 inches already on the ground as this storm tracks north and east overnight and into early tomorrow morning. Take it into the future. Watch the time bar. This blue represents the strip of windswept heavy snow. Here we are at about 7 o'clock in the morning. The storm really wrapping up just to our south. Strong wind and still some steady snow as early as 7 a.m. tomorrow, then easing up during the afternoon. The heaviest snow being painted right on top of us in central and southern New England. I'll show you the accumulation map in more detail in just a second. Forecast to overnight showing the bands of snow continuing with rain along the Cape and the islands. This is 7 o'clock in the morning. Watch the rapid drop in temperature by late morning and afternoon. This is noontime. The intensity of the snow is starting to ease up, and then we're finally pulling away by tomorrow evening, tomorrow night, giving way to some clearing skies. As far as final snowfall accumulations, by noontime tomorrow, north and west of Providence, look at this, 12 to 15. To the south of that, Providence, Metro, Warwick, this blue zone, 8 to 12, and 6 to 8 inches along the coastline because of sleet. But if we don't get any sleet mixing in along the shoreline, then we'll have to include the coast in the 8 to 12. I expect scenes to look like this tomorrow morning in many neighborhoods with quite a bit of snow and some blowing and drifting. So for tomorrow morning, that windswept snow along with cold temperatures, the snow easing up in the afternoon, and things finally clearing out and drying out by tomorrow night sets the stage for better weather Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Bottom line, I'm Mike and Shannon, the worst of the storm is now through at least 7 o'clock tomorrow morning.
All right, Tony, thanks. Coming up on 12 News at 10 on Fox.